Let's say you are editing a big video and want to remove all these gaps, guys. So basically what many people do is they select this razor tool, they cut the parts like this. And some people, what they do is they use any shortcut key to cut both video and audio like this. No matter what, how you cut the clips, if you want to remove this part and join this clip, you have to delete this first and select it, right click, ripple, delete. Then it joins. But not anymore after this, because I'm going to share one of the best shortcut to use to delete and join the clips all at a time. First, I'll show you how it works. Let's say I want to remove this blank space. I use the shortcut key X to cut both audio and video. Then I move the playhead to the point where I want. Then instead of pressing again the same previous key to cut this clip, I use the shortcut Q to delete and join the clips together. Let's say I cutted the clip here. I want to remove this part and join this section. For this, I use the shortcut W. So by this way, you can save hours and hours of video editing time by using the shortcut keys. I'll show you what those shortcut keys are. For that, go to options on the top, then go to edit, choose keyboard shortcuts. The name of this is this one, ripple trim previous edit to playhead. That means whatever the footage to the left side of the playhead, it will be removed and joined together. For the right side, this is the option, next edit to playhead. Just type these in the search bar, you will get the effects, guys, and you can assign any shortcut key as you like. I basically use the Q and W. Q is for removing left side of the playhead, W is for removing right side of the playhead. So by this way, you can edit much faster and save hours of editing time. If you found this tip helpful, make sure you hit the like button and also share this video to the fellow video creators who are not all using any shortcut keys in the Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for doing that. I'll see you again in the next video with another tip.